People call about it?
Yeah, yeah. I knew once we have it, once we just got that in there, that's... Yeah.
Okay. How long does it take them guys to do that with the banking stuff?
To what? So they have to get your find out your payoff. Let's see, use
Yeah, how much it...
what your
They didn't
payoff
ask
is
me to
going
bring
to
anything
be.
with me, so I don't have anything.
Someone asked.
513.
What?
I'll find out how long it's going to take. Where's the boy tonight?
Took him home.
Yeah.
No, I'm not buying. That's what you say now. No, I won't be. Famous last words. I'm only looking. Yeah, like Bill Paschal. I buy stuff. That's the difference. I buy stuff. Yeah, you have the money to do it. Well, yeah.
Copy this. Copy this. Yes, sir.
Yeah, figure 1,200 a month for the last 4, 5, almost 6 years. Not 12 months out of a year. You know, 600.
Keep it out.
What? I'm not bothering you. Just leave me alone.
They'll take care of me when I get old.
I'm not, but like, you didn't ask me to bring any information with me or what I
Any
knew.
other time you know off the top of your head.
I just made a payment, which you should have told me you were doing this because the payment wasn't due until Friday, and I already paid it early this month, so you could have saved $400 and put it towards this car instead of just, the payment went through yesterday.
How much was that before you made payment?
$18,500, I think? Something?
No way. It was lower than that.
No, it wasn't, Sean.